musical presentation was a painting on the Indian canvas with the haunting notes of melody. The pieces played were Rag Pahari, that depicts the flute that sounds in the hills, played by simple folk who remain immersed in the music of nature. The Rag Jog, that played to show the origin of the river Ganga. The Rag Vrindavani Sarang brings alive the young and playful stream that is yet to assume its magnificence. The canon that brought out the movements of the waves, the struggle to know our inner self. The Rag Charu Kesari, which made us hear the fast-flowing waters of Ganga and brought out the adventurous spirit of man. Subsequently, the ultimate slowing down of the river when it reaches the end of its course.
Ninad, the school orchestra comprised of students on a variety of musical instruments like the guitar, the tabla, the sitar, the violin, the jal tarang, xylophones, drums, khatak, chime bells, mandolin, and many more played out the beauty, spirituality, the strength, and the power of the river through an Indo-Western fusion with emphasis on Indian ragas. And such a wonderful presentation deserves a loud applause from the audience.
We now request our principal, Mrs. Deepika Thapar Singh, to please address the audience.
Namaskar, good evening. A very warm welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Air Marshal K.K. Novar, PVSM VN, ADC, Vice Chief of the Air Staff. We are indeed honored to have you, sir, amongst us and wish to convey our heartfelt gratitude for gracing this occasion. Your presence and personal interaction with us will certainly inspire us to achieve greater heights. I welcome Mrs. Anita Novar, Vice President AFA, who has so graciously accepted to give away the prizes and bless the children. Welcome, ma'am. I welcome Air Marshal J.N. Burma, PVSM, AVSM, VSM, Air Officer in Charge, Administration and Chairman Board of Governors. A very warm welcome to Mrs. Padma Verma. TAF's family welcomes Air Marshal Naresh Verma, AVSM, VSM, Director General Works and Ceremonials, and a very warm welcome to Mrs. Swati Verma. On behalf of the TAS fraternity, I welcome all our esteemed guests, members of the Managing Committee, members of Executive Committee of PTA, members of CENTAS, our Alumni Association, respected parents, a very warm welcome to you. Today is a momentous occasion in the history of the Air Force School, as we are celebrating our 56th annual day. The annual day is an annual event in our school's calendar, and it is a special occasion. It provides a window to the world so that it can see the school in its true form and true color. Each year, our school picks out a flavor for the season, a theme, a motive. This Founders' Day, we depict the very soul of India, the river Ganga. The mighty Ganga is not only a river, but much more to the millions for whom the Ganga is a symbol of faith, hope, and sanity. It is the cradle of civilization in the subcontinent, the fertile ground for our culture, and the voice of our nature. Emerging pristine from the snowy lap of the Himalayas, its gushing rapids bring out the wild spirit of nature, while it slows its pace through the plains, mirrors the easy pace of our Indian lifestyle. The river is so strongly etched in the collective memories of our countrymen as the river of spiritual purity, of soundless, and many more principles of generation. However, modern-day India has forgotten the significance of the river. This lifeline of the Indian subcontinent is threatened by human activity. The menace of pollution is choking the river. Industrialization along its banks is strangling it. We aim today to bring out a new dawn of self-realization so that we can all join and pledge to revive the glory of the great river Ganga. Hence, it is up to us to bring this ageless river to life, to salvage it from the damage we have caused. In the salvation of the river lies our own. I take this opportunity to thank our wonderful parents who have been so supportive, and those who have all bestowed their trust on us. Thank you, parents. I thank the entire family of TAFs for extending their full cooperation. May our heart be as vast as the seas, our soul as deep as the oceans. Let us allow our dormant thoughts to become warm, melt, and let the words flow like the cool and limpid waters of the Ganga down the Himalayan heights. Thank you, everybody, for being with us today. A very warm welcome once again.
भुक्ति मुक्ति और सौख्य प्रदायिनी नदी गंगा भारतीय जनमानस की आस्था और विश्वास का ही नहीं, अपितु अनवरत प्रवहमान भारतीय सभ्यता तथा संस्कृति का प्रतीक है। वस्तुतः भारत की पहचान है गंगा, जिसकी पवित्रता, शुद्धता तथा स्वच्छता विश्व में सर्वश्रेष्ठ है। भारतीय समाज में व्याप्त शोषण, भ्रष्टाचार तथा तमाम सामाजिक विसंगतियों के बावजूद गंगा गोमुख से निकलकर स्वाभाविक लय के साथ बहती हुई अपनी स्वच्छ निर्मल जलधारा से जनसाधारण की प्यास को बुझाती हुई भारतीय जनमानस को निरंतर कर्म करने, चरैवेति का संदेश देती हुई अपने गंतव्य गंगा सागर को प्राप्त करती है और कहती है, सपने साकार तभी होंगे जब आगे बढ़ते जाओगे, राहों के सारे विघ्नों को तुम दूर हटाते जाओगे। इन्हीं भावों के साथ टैफ्स के कोयर ग्रुप आह्वान द्वारा प्रस्तुत है गंगा की व्यथा कथा के रूप में स्वर्गीय श्री भूपेन हजारिका का प्रसिद्ध गीत गंगा बहती हो क्यों। तो आइए आनंद लें इस मधुर गीत का।
Ganga
singing with the gods.
As Emith Hussain said, you paint through your songs, but I cannot sing with my paintbrush. It is up to you to fill this lacuna in my artistry. Nothing is permanent. Life is all about change, and school is the first medium of change. A fertile ground of ideas, a meeting ground for minds. The year round, much takes place that molds students into well-endowed personalities with a grip on the challenging times. It is therefore appropriate that we choose this moment to present to you our school annual report. We start with a roundup of the junior school activities, and I invite on stage Sejal Nerkar and Ananya Shreyas.
I, Sejal Nerkar, and I, Ananya Shreyas, will take you through the achievements and events for the annual year 2010-2011 of the Junior Wing. We follow the CCE guidelines in academics as recommended by the CBSE. Here, the hidden talent of each child is recognized and each child is a winner. Aryan Kumar Singh, Siddharth Aneja, and Sumit Garai were the school toppers in national Olympiads. The Junior Wing is all about learning through activities, and all-round development of students is encouraged. Sumit Garai and Himani Ahuja bagged the first prize in the quiz, Knowing Tagore. Ananya Shreyas and Tanisha Jetli achieved the first position in News Orchard newspaper making activity. Prem Prakash and Ayush Keni of Class 5 bagged the second prize in e-poster making. Our musical skills came to the forefront when the students of Class 4 got the second prize in Sur Sangam competition. In the Anchor Festival held at the Navy Children's School, the students of Class 5 picked the third prize in a short skit competition. 30 leading schools of Delhi participated in the Global Groove Dance competition, where our Class 1 students secured the 5th position. Our students were appreciated for their acting skills in the annual Vasant Valley Drama Festival. We had an eventful year in the field of sports. At the Sar Sahodya Athletic Meet, Class 1 students took the second prize in fun games. 4 students of classes 4 and 5 came second in baton relay. Ritika Sehrawat attained the 3rd position in long jump. JAS organized Sar Sahodya mini football tournament in the school premises. Beating tough competition, our junior school football team attained the runners-up position. Our annual sports event, the Khel Utsav, saw 100% participation. Our school celebrated all major festivals like Independence Day, Dussehra, Diwali, and Christmas with great fervor. A number of educational and adventure excursions were organized for the students. We visited the Children's Park, Fun and Food Village, Air Force Museum, Adventure Island, Pratapgarh Farms, Eco-Adventure Camps. We also went on a day trip around Delhi and for a 3-day trip to Camp Bagicha near Nainital. As a part of the EVS curriculum, the students went on heritage walks conducted by Itihas. With a focused mind and determination to excel, we move ahead. Thank you.
I, Mohini Venugopal, head girl,
and I, Aditya Srivastav, head boy,
of the academic year 2010-2011 would now highlight the achievements, events and activities of the Senior Wing TAPS. We begin with academics. Students of both class 10 and 12 have once again made us proud. 17 students achieved a remarkable cumulative grade point average of a perfect 10.
In class, Sachin Gautam, Farhan Ali, Vivek Kumar Singh and Soumyak Hira topped in their respective streams.
Success dramatizes an interesting distinction between intelligence and genius, and TAPS has proved its genius through its superachievers. Rudra Pratap Singh, Farhan Ali, Akriti Mehta and many more got into the premier institutes of India.
Our list of achievements does not end here. Nikesh Arora, an ex-TAPSian, is currently the president, Global Sales Operation, Google. He was interviewed by Shekhar Gupta from NDTV.
Modern education is about experimenting with new ideas and challenging old ones. Keeping this in mind, TAFS conducts various activities. An orientation program was held for Class 6 on transition from elementary school to high school and for Class 9 regarding the CCE.
We had an interaction with the Air Officer in Charge Administration, Air Marshal J.N. Burma, PVSM, AVSM, VSM. The motive behind this interaction was to update Sir about the various events of our school.
On the 7th April, the prefectorial board members were appointed and the ceremony was presided over by Wing Commander Manisha Rajput. The principal urged the prefects to instill in them the qualities of leadership.
This is the time when innovators will rule the world. Various exhibitions are held at TAFS to discover and unleash the hidden talent among our students.
Imagination is as important as knowledge, and therefore to experience nature in its pristine form, TAFS organized various excursions to places like Kufri, Chel, Ranthambore and Manali, to name a few.
We in TAFS believe in working together as a team, obtaining inspiration from each other and thus fostering a healthy competition. TAFS conduct various inter-house competitions which instill in the TAFSians a sense of healthy competition and loyalty towards the houses. The overall championship trophy this year was bagged by Katre House.
We are here to bring about quality education so that our society develops, our country develops, and the world as such develops. This is initiated by the various clubs of our school which bring out the uniqueness in every student.
We begin with the Astronomy Club, which caters to the stargazers. TAFS won the first prize in a competition organized by Space at Jantar Mantar.
Taking its legacy in another academic year, Techno Geeks excelled in various inter-school competitions held at DPS Vasant Kunj, DPS Arkipuram, APJ School and other prestigious schools of Delhi.
The Consumer Club has taken the responsibility of bringing up awareness in consumers. The club released a calendar featuring posters made by our students. 2 students of TAFS bagged the 16th and the 20th position in the Commerce Olympiad. GenX also organized an inter-school competition on consumer awareness.
A liberal society thrives on opinions, and presenting them with confidence is the crux of our debating club. TAFS organized the annual inter-school debate in which our school won the 2nd position, competing against the top 30 schools of Delhi. We won the 2nd position in English and 3rd position in Hindi Alpha Declamation.
Green warriors are the protectors of our environment and the voice of conscience. Our school participated in the science exhibition organized by CBSE on green energy. Our model, which was equipped with all methods of environment conservation, was selected for a national level exhibition. This is how an idea can change the world. The Literati League, with the motto Observe, Explore, Express, aims at recreating the magic of written and spoken words and organizes many competitions. Our students won their 5th position among 100 schools in the Shakespeare quiz organized by this British Council.
The empires of future are the empires of mind. Our students have won many prizes in prestigious quiz competitions. Our quizzes stood amongst the top 10 finalists in the Bajaj Allianz Discover India quiz with Anupam Kher.
An integral part of the chemistry department, the Rasayan Club organizes various activities on diverse topics of chemistry.
To ensure our culture is also a part of our education, our school organized a program by Spikmeke where we got an opportunity to witness a Manipuri classical dance.
DLF organized an inter-school competition on the occasion of Earth Day on the theme Save Earth. Our painting named Hope Never Dies won the 2nd prize.
If academics heal our mind, sports are a preserver of health.
Our country is full of good coaches. What it takes to win is a bunch of interested players. Our school encourages various coaching classes for a variety of sports. Let us begin with football. We excelled at the state and national level by winning many prestigious tournaments like Tata Tea Arsenal, Samtel, Coca-Cola Mir Iqbal Hussain Trophy, CBSE Cluster, Brother Mohanty, SK Sharma Memorial and DDA.
Continuing with the trend of winning, TAPS was a part of the Air Headquarter team that won the Intercommand, Jaguar Under-15 and the Zonals. 4 players from TAPS were selected to play at the international level and 9 to play at the national level.
Uttam Rai, a Subroto scholar, has represented India at various prestigious cups and is currently undergoing training at Florida. Further in cricket, TAPS Premier League was organized to provide a platform to our budding cricketers. 7 students of TAPS were a part of the Air Headquarter team that won the Intercommand cricket tournament. Aditya Tyagi was the vice captain of the Air Headquarter team of Intercommand, and he was declared the man of the match during the Delhi vs NCR tournament.
Moving on to badminton, 3 out of 4 players in the Air Headquarter badminton team that won the Intercommand tournament were from TAPS. We also won the Zonal Championship trophy and reached the quarterfinals in the CBSE badminton competition held at Chandigarh. The 21st Basketball Zonal Tournament was held at TAPS, and our team won in the sub-junior category and runners-up in the junior category. 2 players from our school were a part of the Air Headquarter Intercommand team as well.
In athletics, Anurag Prasad won many medals in the zonal athletic meet and in other tournaments at the state and national level.
Our future depends on infrastructure, and if we have a strong infrastructure, we will be persistent in our development. To keep pace with advancements in the field of education, many projects were taken up and successfully accomplished in TAPS.
The strength of our school is like the great river Ganga, which gathers its momentum to renew, refresh and energize, to strike out a path of its own, unhindered and undeterred. Thank you.
For an insightful presentation on the senior school. After having striven hard, played well and learnt intensively, we reserve this time for the rewards of labor well performed. We are honoured to have amongst us Mrs. Anita Novar, who will be giving away the prizes shortly. Ma'am has been a teacher for almost 20 years, having taught at various schools across the country. A multi-dimensional personality. Music, dance and drama are ma'am's passion. We request Mrs. Novar to kindly give away the prizes to the meritorious students. We invite ma'am on stage.
To have with us ma'am, who is here to create such special memories for our students. We begin the prize distribution with the junior school, the youngest, the most promising students of our school. The Maharaj Singh Memorial Running Trophy for the best all-rounder of Class 5 goes to Paridi Wahi of 5A. Paridi has excelled in both academics as well as co-curricular activities. What a proud moment for this young achiever. Well done, Paridi. Cherish this memory always. A little lady, a thorough gentleman. Who are these, you may wonder? Well, this is a trophy awarded for behavior most ladylike or most gentlemanly. The award, a little lady, goes to Nimisha Sharma of 5B. Quite a little lady there, though dressed like a tree just now, displaying decorum, dignity and courtesy, Nimisha Sharma. We move on now to the senior school. The subject and the stream toppers, Naomi Hazarika of 11A topped the humanities stream, scoring 71.8%. An all-rounder are Naomi, involved in school life, a very promising student. Aishwarya Ahuja of 11B topped the science with biology group, scoring 80.8%. She also scored the highest marks in biology and 87%.